In this video, if you're having problems with your battery percentage display, I'm going to show you a method to reset it so that it can display correctly. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter recovery mode on your Nintendo Switch 2, and that should reset your battery display. So to do that, we're going to click and hold the power button for a few seconds until it brings us to completely power off the Nintendo Switch 2. So click power off. And then once it's off, we're going to enter recovery mode. So click and hold the volume plus and minus button, and then press the power button while still holding on to the plus and minus volume button for a few seconds. And then it should boot in recovery mode. There we go. Now all we need to do is enter the recovery mode, and then we can now go back to the main menu. So go ahead and click power button, and then click it again to turn on the Switch 2. And then once the Switch 2 is turned on, you can see the percentage change. So as you can see before, I was at 47%, and then I changed it, and now I've dropped to 40, I've dropped to 38, showing me my accurate battery percentage. So that's how you fix that. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.